back to school at home. Today we are going to be making bath bombs. Let's get started.
You will need citric acid, Epsom salt, coconut oil, baking soda, food coloring of your choice, and essential oils. For this video, I cut the recipe in half. First, you will take 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 a cup of citric acid, 1/2 a cup of Epsom salt, and whisk it together. Next, you will take 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and melt it. Then, you will add 1 teaspoon of water, and you will add about 15 drops of essential oil. Now add the food coloring if you would like. So instead of coloring my bath bombs, I decided to take some Epsom salt and food coloring, mix it together, and add it to the top of my bath bombs. Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Be sure to do this slowly. You want it to hold its shape, but you don't want it to be too wet. Finally, I'm going to take my bath bomb mix and put it into the molds. Make sure to pack it tightly. But first, I am sprinkling my Epsom salt on the bottom of the molds. Let them dry overnight, and then they are ready to use.